on the field. What are you thinking?
18 green, 45 west, Idaho, Idaho. Blue,
just
blue,
did a
blue.
triangle.
Blue, blue, blue.
Just right. One hand catch.
What the fuck was that throw?
Nothing that. High school Matthew would have humped him at least 10 times right there.
Are you recording me? Which one?
Yeah, we're going. I don't know what it looks like though. I'm doing this.
Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rockin' me.
Are you arrow?
You know feel a reggae music sweet.
I wrote your name in the sand. Okay.
For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together and lose the life no order. And every man got this struggle. I'm making your enemy order.
That was so inspirational.
Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rockin' me. You know feel a reggae music sweet.
I don't know how homeless people are getting on the base house.
Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rockin' me. You know feel a reggae music sweet. We skanking sweet. We skanking till the morning come. Until the day when my troubles are gone. Hallelujah. We're grooving in our jazz. We're grooving on my troubles away. Sweet. Feel like troubles in the rock.
The way to the cross.
Imagine what Jesus was doing for you.
Say amen.
So I'm gonna hold this here for the next 24 hours. Abandoned on a stranded island.
There's nobody here. There's nobody
On the
here.
beach. John, you're on a Mr. Beach challenge.
We've got all your exes. I'm due to Afghanistan for 30 days.
Why are they staring at it?
My exes are here?
Everybody was skanking sweet. Body body was skanking sweet. Daddy body was skanking sweet.
Who drew that?
I wanna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking.
Hi guys, we're back and we're watching a lifeguard live action rescue these guys out here. As you can see, I don't know what he's doing currently as of right now. They're all drifting down there, but this is the lifeguard. This is the well-known lifeguard of Pyramids. Hey sir, how do you feel rescuing these kooks out here today?
How's it, guys? Get the camera on my face. I need Boto.
Oh shit. Little monkey. We got two white boys. Callie, get your husband. We got this Asian. We got
the cameraman. Oh, he's going to take it. they're coming up too.
We've got to find a bone, so go to hell if what you're thinking is not right. Love would never leave us alone. I in the darkness, you must come out the light. Could you be loved? Can be loved? Could you be Don't let them change ya, or even rearrange ya.
That was really good. That was like a dolphin. Come on. Let's see what you got.
We've got a life to live.